life update. I recently moved to Idaho. I'm sorry if you were following me for Caribbean content, but I am very much in the Northwest right now and not in the hot Caribbean. So if that interests you, I hope you'll stick around and watch my channel. We have just been enjoying life here in the Northwest. We're really happy to be back in the States for right now. Really, it was a bit of a rocky landing, but we are getting our life together. I've been like thrifting a little before I can get like nicer cold weather clothes. I've started going to doctor's appointments. I got teeth cleaning. I'm really excited because I have a hair appointment today. So I'm finally gonna be feeling more like myself. I haven't cut my hair or colored it in a year. So I'm excited to just feel less like I have a rat's nest on me. And yeah, I'm excited to share our new life here with you. It's been really fun, very unexpected, but we're both Cancers, my boyfriend and I, and he's from the Northwest. So we both love the water. You know, we're crabs, and we also love being homebodies and being cozy and cooking and food. So now we're kind of in our being at home, making soup, watching movies in a cozy place era. So today we have to run this errand because we live pretty rural and I messed up a package. We have to go to this post office, but it's supposed to be a pretty drive. So I'm hoping, there've been a lot of bald eagles lately. I'm hoping to be able to show you some bald eagles or some cool animals, we'll see. So anyways, that is the update here in Idaho. And yeah.
Man, I always had stories about the city life and the crazy nights. Figure I should probably give it a try. Maybe check it out, see what it's all about. But the traffic was fast and the money was slow. The people I met you never get to know. I kinda miss this place I used to live back home. Cause up here it's breakneck, paycheck, rat race, what's next? I'm tired of feeling like a small fish in a big pond. I think I'll go back where I came from, where everybody knows my name. My friends are still the same. I guess the slow life hit me just right, like a bonfire on a cold night. Hell, and you can keep your 9 to 5, happy with the simple life.
So we're a little bit early to get my package from the post office. We're in the small town of Harrison, Idaho. So we just went into this market, small market, and they said they're actually having a mac and cheese fest in town today. So I guess like the local businesses, different ones are having different mac and cheeses. And the market here said they're not participating, but yeah, little town's having a mac and cheese fest. That's so fun. So we're going on a lot of nice drives here in the Northwest, checking out the cute town, seeing all the nature, and that's really the activity. So we got my packages, I got contact lenses and my 2026 planner, and we saw this bar that we definitely want to come back and take shots at sometime. After Harrison, we drove into Coeur d'Alene. We are living 30 minutes from it, just on the outskirts. So this is all really green. It's going to be turning white in winter soon, but it is just a beautiful drive right by this lake and all these beautiful Christmas looking trees. So we headed into town for my hair appointment. I went to this salon for the first time. It's called Revive Salon, and these were so cute. She had these Christmas foils for my blonde hair. I know when I smell that. And then this is what my hair looked like, and it actually looks even better than this. This wasn't the best lighting. favorite burrito spot in Coeur d'Alene. When I first came into Coeur d'Alene, I was like, I need to find Mexican food right now, and we found Atilano's, and it just totally hits the spot when I want a burrito. Whenever we're in the city, I come back to this. I get the veggie burrito that just doesn't have the sour cream or the cheese to keep it vegan, and I just really enjoy this place. It was so nice to have my hair feeling fresh and pretty and get the burrito that I love, and just an all-around good day. I'm a simple girl, just need pretty hair, Mexican food, coffee, thriving social media presence that allows me to escape a fascist country and live wherever I want and have my own income and buy beautiful fragrances. Very simple girl. So I'm headed back to this dive bar, and my boyfriend said he got me a gift. His name's Nate, I'll just call him Nate. I don't think it's like a gift. It's probably something we just needed for the house. I think it's a food processor. A food processor?
Both Cuisinart. This is only $7.50, and I
That's
plugged it in, it
awesome.
works. And then this, I plugged
Hey!
Hey, look, no, hey, right now, beat the meat in the middle. And they're punching you.
Don't beat the meat in the middle.
From lunch to clubs.
So the guys had been out at a dive bar together while I was getting my hair done, and then we all drove home together. Sunday morning, Nate got creative with cooking me breakfast and made this delicious potato and onion dish, which was so good. And we had a long day of driving and exploring ahead of us, so this was perfect. So this is how my hair turned out from yesterday. A little bit shorter than I wanted, but thank you. But it was very unhealthy. Yesterday we did end up seeing some bald eagles, but they were up in this one tree that was on the other side of the highway. We'd have to walk to it, but we did just see some elk and moose. We're up early to be in Kellogg. Nate wants to go to the snake pit for some fried mushrooms, and he wanted to show me some elk and some moose, and we saw that, so that's pretty cool. And we're
all before 9 o'clock.
All before 9 o'clock. And yeah, we're just enjoying a drive in the countryside. Oh, he also, not only did he get a food processor, but he also got me long underwear and these really, really soft, cozy bear paw socks. So if you like cozy socks, I will link those if you want to check them out. And yeah, we're just enjoying a nice, relaxing Sunday. As soon as we pulled up to the 50,000 silver dollar bar, I knew that's exactly where Nate was taking me. He had shown me this place on his phone while we were living together in St. Croix. He had shown me this bar that he and his dad used to go to in Montana and how huge it was inside. There's this giant gift shop area, a cafe, and this big bar. This area of Montana is or was a huge mining area, and I was told by the bartender that the miners used to get paid in silver dollars. So they made this bar a thing by putting all these silver dollars on the wall, and it just became a big tourist attraction. And it's just a cool place to hang out. Nate won $40 at the machines, and then we got some drinks. I got the Huckleberry Blonde beer. Of course, we had to try some local Montana beers. And then we just spent some time talking to the bartender and enjoying the place. We could see the first and last names, the year, and the hometown of the different people who've left their silver dollars here, and then we decided to get some for ourselves. So we paid $1 each to have our info put up on the bar there, and it should be up in the spring. So we'll have to come back. So after spending a good amount of time at the 50,000 silver dollar bar in Haugan, Montana, we headed over to Wallis, Idaho, to this town where Dante's Peak was filmed. So I haven't seen the movie, so people were just telling me about this. I guess I'll have to watch it. But there's a place in town where a volcano erupts. I'm about to point it out. And apparently there is no volcano. It was superimposed, you say that? In this one spot right here where my finger's pointing. And that's a big argument people have here, is there's not really a volcano, and everybody thinks there is. So we spent some time in this little town. We actually went to a little dive bar, which I did not film, but it was very cute and surrounded by a bunch of mountains. And then we actually checked out this little coffee shop where I got a matcha, and they had things like jerky there, just little cultural differences that like you wouldn't see in LA. And my Gen X boyfriend loved these puzzles like Goonies and Gremlins, and it was just a cute spot. And here's a little bit more of the interior, and there was a little free library. And this was our last stop of the day. Oh, this is another thing from the movie, apparently. I'll have to check out the movie, obviously. And then after a whole gloomy day, it finally decided to clear up on the ride home. So you can see how pretty and green the trees are. So we just got back home, even though I know I said we were going to Kellogg today and going to the snake pit. We ended up going out just towards Kellogg to Wallace and some other places, not into Kellogg specifically. And we didn't even end up going to the snake pit. We ended up going to Wallis, where I guess Dante's Peak was filmed, some volcano scene. I don't know, I haven't seen it. I've just been hearing people talk about it. And we went to the laundromat, did our laundry, while we went to a dive bar and had some drinks. I actually got a matcha from a cute coffee shop, and then we ended up getting groceries at Walmart on the way home. And
don't forget about the $50,000 bar.
I'm already showing that. Don't forget about the $50,000 bar. He's shy about being on camera, but he will correct me. So yeah. That's the silver dollar place that I showed you. And yeah, we had a really fun day. We didn't do everything we set out to do, but it was really nice. And gonna go make some dinner. Nate's making meatloaf and greens. That's gonna have meat in it. What?
Said we didn't do everything we set out to do. We just didn't go to one place.
I know, but I started the vlog saying we're headed out to the snake pit today, so I thought I should clarify.
Well, snake pit can go later.
Snake pit comes later. So we did a lot of awesome things today and gonna make dinner, and that was our weekend. So thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next vlog.
You're gonna want to edit the shit out of that.
After getting home, the neighbor's dog, Ellie Mae, was giving me some love, which was very sweet because I've been a bit spooked by dogs after getting attacked by one recently. And then I cooked up some dinner. I was craving a ham and cheese tofu scramble, It didn't turn out that great. It was a little mushy and the cheese wasn't melting, but it satisfied my craving, and I had it with the potato that Nate made earlier, which was the best part. And this was just a really nice weekend that we have. We just like eating at home, going on drives, and we just ate well and had a lot of fun and relaxed a lot.